threading the Bernina 730 Record. It's got 3 spool pins on the back. There's a giant one on the motor, and then supposed to be a pair up here. This machine has only one on top. From the spool pin there is a hook behind the machine, and then the thread goes across the top through this passage and comes out here. Then it goes down under this lower hook, up through the take-up arm, and then down to a guide on the needle bar, and then this machine threads from the front to the back. To wind a bobbin on the Bernina Record 730, there's a door here, and under the door is this arm with the tensioner on it, and the bobbin winder. So you place a bobbin on the bobbin winder, the thread goes around the tension button, crosses over, and then it goes around this bumper before it wraps around the bobbin in a clockwise fashion. And I have a very long tail here, but it then shifts there. This has a standard nut to release it, and then I just was using this and I don't know why the motor is suddenly very weak. Alright, well, that is how the bobbin winder is supposed to work. I guess I need to find out why this motor has suddenly gotten weak.